Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming a how I style my bangs video. So this is how they look. I'll zoom in a little. How I style them, and I also did like a little bit like how I trim them kind of situation and kind of maintain them. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. So the first thing I do in my bangs routine is wash my hair. But if you're like me and you know, or you feel, and you know, you don't like to wash your hair every day is the point I'm trying to get at. I wash my hair like every 3 or 4 days, sometimes even 5 if I can pull it off. Just cause, you know, I'm trying to grow my hair out, I'm trying to keep it healthy, and washing it strips it of like all of its natural oils, and I've just gotten on a good schedule to where my hair doesn't really get greasy if I don't wash it every day. So I don't like to. So what I do with bangs, cause obviously those sit on my forehead and get way greasier way quicker than the rest of my hair, I will wash my bangs, and like only my bangs, every like 2 or 3 days. So like halfway through the week, I guess. So I just did that in the bathroom. So I just washed, these are not all my bangs, I just washed, you know, the front section of my hair. Then I'm just gonna like blow dry it, and that's really just kind of the first part of my routine. I don't put any product in because it tends to weigh them down. So to blow dry my hair, I take a round brush, or really any brush, it kind of doesn't even matter at this point, because I don't use it to style my bangs, I literally just use it to dry it. So you could use a comb, anything, and then just my hair dryer. And then all I really do is just take the brush and direct my hair this way and dry it fully, and then do the same thing on this side and dry it fully, and then I do it like down, and then I just round brush the ends of my hair that are kind of like face framed bits. There you can kind of see my bangs already falling down. But I am not a fan of those bangs. Whoops, I almost dropped my hair dryer. Of like those bangs that like, I'll put a picture right here because my fingers are not gonna do it justice. Like the really curly bangs, and that's what I find the round brush gives me. So I prefer to go in with a straightener. So I'll do that after they're dry. So anyways, cut to me blow drying my hair at like a super fast speed. Okay, bye. Okay, so now my hair is dry, and then what I do to find my bangs, since they are so wispy, is I just pull all the hair that's long like up, and then they just kind of fall. So this is how they look right now. Certainly interesting. So now I'm just gonna brush this part back, get it out of the way. Just clip it away. So this is how they look right now. The reason I like to do the drying that way and drying that way is because my hair is so used to going down the middle. See, it's still kind of doing it. That just kind of helps it not do that. I don't know, like anyways, now I just take a straightener, any old straightener. I happen to have like 3, so I just pick whichever one's out. And then yeah, I just take the middle section, which is the shortest section, and I style the straightener up. I'll show you from the side. I feel like that'll be more helpful than maybe this side. So kind of at like a angle like so, an upward angle, and then I curl the ends under, just ever so slightly. And then I just go section by section and repeat. And it seems like almost every time I style my bangs, I find a new hair that's like just not working for me. Like as you can see right here, this is like perfect because it's not in my eye, but this piece just keeps falling in my eyeball and it drives me crazy. So I'm gonna trim it. So let me go get some scissors. So yeah, the reason bangs get annoying is because they're not the right length. But anyways, I'm just gonna trim them up a little bit with some raggedy old kitchen scissors. So as you can see, if I zoom you in, I really like what's going on with this side. Give or take a few flyaway hairs. But yeah. Also, be really careful not to cut your eyelashes. I've seen girls do that before where they just don't even think about it and cut like that. Like always bring the scissors forward so that they're not in the line of fire. And to the side. So, okay, let's see, this is the piece that's annoying me. It's too long. So just grab it. And I like to trim it with vertical cuts. Right? Yeah, vertical. Just because I find it is more natural looking. When you go and cut it just like that, I got hair in my mouth. What happened? I got like 40 hairs in my mouth. Okay, when you go and cut it just like straight across, imagine if I had just accidentally cut my hair just then, that'd be hilarious. That's when you get like these kind of bangs. But hopefully I explained it really well in my voiceover, so you guys kind of have a pretty good understanding of like what I did and why I did it. I've got a text. Okay. It always makes my face so itchy after I do that. But anyways, that's kind of just how I've been keeping up with my bangs. I hope that was like somewhat helpful. I will, next time I need to trim them, if you guys want me to, I'll film like how I like full on, like once they start all growing, I'll show like how I trim them. But I mean, the way you trim them is essentially the same way you cut them. So just comment down below if you guys are like wanting that kind of video. I'll zoom you out now. But yeah, this is how they look. They're super fun. You can like part your hair on the side and be super 80s, or what I like to do is just part my hair in the middle. I find that to be the most flattering. Just on myself, I like a middle part the most. And that was a really bad middle part. And as you can see, like the rest of my hair, like it doesn't look bad if you only wash the front, so that's good. It's getting pretty long. And I lightened it up a bit with some highlights also over this quarantine break, just on the ends, because the ends were darker than my roots. That's the bangs. I usually don't like to put a lot of heat on my hair, but sometimes I'll straighten it and like flip it out and make it look cute, but I'm gonna save that for another video because I'm gonna do a whole video all about like hairstyles that I've been doing with bangs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, which I have decided finally is gonna be every Tuesday and every Friday at 6 p.m. So yeah, be looking forward to that. I'll post on Instagram and let you blah blah blah. Just be looking forward to that. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time and thanks for watching.